We got into this system of, the medications, drinking enough water, washing out his bladder. It's just, and we are, between me and my husband, we're like, nag, 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 nag. And he hates it. So he hates it because he just wants to be a child. And I don't blame him. It kills me. Because there's also the element of, I think, the saddest thing that I feel from all of this is that I didn't enjoy him as a child or let him enjoy his childhood, because all I do is tell him about the medical stuff. And at the end of the day, sorry.
That's fine.
He has to take his medicines.
Fidejkaj. Hin il-mediċina.
Yes. Quack, quack. Doq il-pabra. And I started to realize, because when he's taking his medicines, we have his catheter, he drank his water, and we're lying in bed at that, whatever time it is. And we joke and we laugh and I'm like, it's not fair, because I spend the whole day, and then he'll tell me, you're funny, mommy. And I'm like, he's like, how come you're not funny like this in the day? Because I can't.
Because you can't, though.
I'm doing everything for me, for you to survive. We have and I hate that we have no time for me to be the person that I want to be with him, the one I want, the mom that I wanted to be, the fun mom, because we play. Like my husband tells me, jiskom żewġ tfal, mhux wieħed għandi tnejn, because I get very playful. I want to, do things. I joke. Yes, let's do this, let's do that. Then we'll be having fun. And even that, sometimes I'm like, fuck it. I don't care. I'm just going to do whatever I want. And my husband, isma, għad baqalu fl-xkun il-madam, but nibdew nġied. Ma xarobx, kif metlux, ma xarobx. And then that comes in. We're just having fun.
Yeah.
And then I become a child and I start literally stomping my feet. Just
because I just want to have fun with my kid.
Yeah. He does too, but, we have to. But and then I get more pissed off because I'm just like, God, just fucking leave him for a second, I just want him to have fun. But then, it switches on and I'm like, yeah, okay, Henry, you have to drink, you have to take your medicines, you have to stop, you have to do this. Even for him, it's shit, And then when I started realizing that, it was like, that for me is not fair.
Mela, tlaqna?